Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pump gas at Costco. So the first step that you need to do is download the Costco app on your phone. So the Costco app is this red and white app over here. So go ahead and download it and then afterwards connect your Costco account to the Costco app. And then once you go ahead and open it up, you want to click on account on the bottom middle hand side, and then you're going to find a QR code that looks like this. So go ahead and tap to enlarge that QR code. And then at the Costco pump, you should see a scan here QR code that looks like this. So you're going to hold the QR code up to like that. And then you should hear a beep to confirm that it's been scanned. At which point you can either do tap to pay or insert your card and pay for the gas. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pump gas at Costco. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.